I was craving this creamy white stew after watching anime, so I made it. It's called cream stew or Japanese white curry. These are the ingredients. You can swap beef for chicken. I actually prefer chicken. Prepare the vegetables first. Just use whatever's in your fridge. Cut them and the meat into chunks. Then season with salt and pepper. Heat butter in a pot over medium heat. Cook the meat until brown. And add other vegetables too. I cook broccoli separately because it will make the soup greenish. Pour in 2 cups of water and add chicken stock. And the most important ingredient is cream stew cube. Put the creamy yolks, add milk, and let it simmer on low heat. Finally, add the boiled broccoli now and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Serve with rice or bread and enjoy. If you're looking for a warm and comforting dish for cold days, give this a try.